All right, let's take a look at Meta, because this chart is getting interesting. Meta is currently trading around $665.27. On the day, it opened near $660.34, pushed as high as $677.86, dropped to around $668, and then recovered back into the mid-660s. So right away, we can see that buyers are active, but we can also see sellers stepping in near that $678 to $680 area. And that level is very important. Meta has made a strong move from the recent low around 550, and it has now rallied back into an area where price struggled before. So even though the stock looks strong today, this is not the place where I would automatically chase it. The big question is whether Meta can actually break above $680 and stay there. If price moves above $680 but immediately falls back underneath it, then that would look like another failed breakout. But if Meta breaks $680, holds above it, and then continues toward $700, that would be a much stronger sign that the trend is changing. The next major area after $680 is roughly $700 to $720. That zone matters because there was previous selling pressure there. So even if Meta gets through $680, it still has another test ahead of it. What I would really like to see is this. Meta breaks above $680. Then it pulls back normally, but instead of falling all the way back down, it holds somewhere around $650 to $660. Then buyers step back in and push it above $700. That would give us a much cleaner trend confirmation. Now let's talk about the downside. The first important support zone is around $650 to $660. That is the area buyers need to defend if this move is going to remain healthy. Below that, $640 becomes important. And if Meta starts falling back below $640, then the current move begins to look less like a real breakout attempt and more like another temporary rally inside a larger trading range. The bigger support level is $600. If Meta loses $600, then the current bullish setup is seriously weakened. And below that, the recent reaction area around $550 to $580 comes back into play. So the way I see it, Meta is strong, but it is sitting directly under resistance. The play, I would wait for a confirmed break above $680. The stronger signal would come above $700, with the stock holding above $650 during any pullback. If Meta fails at $680 and falls below $650, I would step back and wait for the chart to reset. Key levels to watch. Current price, $665.27. Immediate resistance, $678 to $680. Stronger breakout level, $700 to $720. First support, $650 to $660. Major support, $600. Failure zone, below $640. Right now, Meta is showing strong upward pressure, but the breakout is not fully confirmed yet. The stock is at the exact point where price needs to prove whether this is the start of a new upward leg or just another rally into resistance.